Welcome back to ETO. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour of the home screen and help you navigate various aspects of ETO. Let's look across the left side first. This is called the navigation bar. It's kind of a bluish gray color. These three horizontal lines at the top left of the navigation bar, you can minimize the navigation bar or bring it back. It's often helpful to minimize it when you're entering a touch point or you're working on a small screen like a telephone or a tablet. The next icon to the right is a little house, and this is how you get back to the home screen from wherever you are at ETO. And then here's the logo for ETO. As we move across the screen, you see that you're in the Ohio Commission on Fatherhood site, and then your program that you're in will be below that. If you want to change to a different program, if you happen to have access to more than one, you would click on the pencil and the change, and you would see multiple programs listed here that you could switch to. Then on the far right, you see your name, your user status, and then of course the arrow to log out. The next line down is a very valuable tool in ETO. It's called the quick search bar. It allows you to search for active participants in your program. Those will be participants that you have enrolled and have not dismissed. If you leave this blank and click search, you see we're looking for participants in the training program that I'm showing you. Click search. You'll see all of your participants. It'll give you the total number of participants and then a list. In future videos, we'll see how this works. Over here on the navigation bar, back to that, you see the My Dashboard. This is a staff dashboard. You click on that. And here you'll see recent participants that you worked with, recent touch points that you've entered, program documents that you've entered. This is, again, something we'll go over in the future, but this is what happens on My Dashboard, and you can always go back to it from this icon. There's two other sections of the main navigation bar that we use quite a bit. The participant section, these are all the things that we do with participants will be found here. If you click on that participant name, you open and close that submenu. And then the touch point section. Touch points are surveys, places to enter, type of service we provide to a client, an exit survey. We'll go over all those things in the future too. If you click touch points and open it, you'll see those sections as well. Then the last thing I want to show you on the home page is this section in the middle where we have the Ohio Commission on Fatherhood logo. There's two resources available to you here. If you run into an issue while you're using ETO, you can click here to email Steve and send me an email, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. I'll often send you screenshots to help you navigate some trouble that you're having. Just below that is a link to go to the grantee only page on the OCF website, where you'll find all of the forms to download and print, as well as the ETO manual and some other useful information. That concludes our video on navigating ETO today.